Hi guys, welcome to Tableau tutorials and tips. Today we are going to discuss about show hide functionality in dashboard. This feature is very useful like when we have any space constraint in dashboard, so we can use the show hide concept in our dashboard. So by using this we can save a lot of space in our dashboard. Okay, so I'll show you how to implement this show hide concept. Okay, so like let's start with the new workbook. Okay, I just connected with the superstore database. Okay, this is I have developed. Okay, this is very simple thing. Okay, you just if you see three lines. Okay, when you click on three lines, it means show container. So when you click on that, it will display this container which is holding the filters. Similarly, when you click on cross, so it is going to hide. So it is not distributing any other layouts, other containers. Okay, see, you are able to select whatever filters you want. Okay, see, so this is working fine. So when after giving my input, okay, I'm just closing this one. See, now as usual you are able to see everything in the dashboard without disturbing anything. See, if you observe here, we have three filters. Let's assume if we have 10 filters, it is going to occupy some space. So to avoid that, we are going to use the show hide functionality. Okay, so this I'll demonstrate you how we can implement this functionality. Okay, just coming out from the presentation mode. Anyway, I have already developed two worksheets, two simple worksheets with available bills like subcategory, category, reason, and sales, and also state. Okay, if you see, just I'm going to start with a new dashboard. Show hide I'm naming, just pull into dashboard area, then pull here, reduce size, just I'm doing some formatting changes. Width. Okay, now to entire view, then just hide table, hide title, just enable dashboard title. So hide, so okay, just I'm going to keep left alignment. Okay. Yeah, this is the dashboard. Okay, with sample dashboard, and if you see here, there are three filters occupied this space. Okay, if you want to use this space also, like we are going to develop show hide functionality. Okay, just change it to instead of tiled floating, then click on vertical scroll bar. Now you see this is a vertical scroll bar floating object. Now when you click on here, you will see add show hide button. This is the option we need to enable. Okay, when you enable, you see one is vertical container and the other one is small button. Okay, so now I am going to what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull all these filters into this container. See, like this I'm going to format multiple values, similarly reason. See, if you guys you can observe this space is utilized by this worksheet. So now I am going to change background color so that it will be visible. Okay, see, so now we have implemented show hide functionality. If you click on this, it is going to close. If you click on these three bars, it is going to show. If you click on X, it is going to close. So now what I am going to do, just I am going to do some formatting. Okay. If you see here, just I am going to put this one into here, right side. Okay. If you are not in the presentation mode, you need to click on like an alt click. Alt click. See, if you see here, show means alt click. Hide also alt click. So now I am going to do some formatting changes. So when you want to move means you want to select the container which is holding the filters. You need to move like this. Move like this, and you can reduce the width of this one. See, now we'll see. See now, when you click on this, it will go away. When you click on three bars, it will show. When you click on cross mark, it will go. So this is the functionality. So here you are able to interact with the filters. Okay, instead of all subcategories, you are able to see, able to interact. Instead of all regions, you are able to see. See now I just given in my inputs. Okay, then I am closing this. See, it is not disturbing any structure of the dashboard, so it is not going to move anywhere. So this is the how we are able to save the lot of space. Not only here, we can implement in many situations. Okay, like if you want to display like any descriptive information, you can take one container and like there you can implement like um, one text box you can implement, and based on the icon you are able to display. So this is the information, so and so. See, and also I'll show you like how to add text box in the this window, this container. Okay, like we are going to give more information about this. Change into tiled, then go to text. We are going to ask user, please select the filters. After selection, close, click on X mark, X symbol. It will close. Just we are going to give like instructions how we need to utilize this button. Okay, so now we need to increase a little bit of, see, it's, see, when you click on this, just let me do a little bit format. Click on this. See, now you are able to see when you click on this, when you click on three bars, you are able to see like instruction, please select the filters. After selection, click on X symbol, it will close like this. Then I will select all the filter values, and the filter values, then I apply it and I click on close. So this is how you can use show head functionality. Please let me know if you have any